right, good afternoon, folks. Today we're taking a look at Ralph Lauren, ticker symbol RL. Had a nice day today, closing up $2.30 or 2 3/4% at 87.74. And this market appeared on my 3S code scanner list that is searching for 1, 2, 3 bottoms. You can see this is what it looks like here. Once we find a confirmed 1, 2, 3 bottom, it prints the entry level, the stop level, profit levels 1 and profit levels 2. So you can see here that we are forming a 1, 2, 3 bottom as we speak, kind of doing this U or V bottom formation. One of the things I like to look at when I'm looking at these 1, 2, 3 bottoms or 1, 2, 3 tops is, are we forming a potential turning point at a significant area of price structure? So what I do is simply just scroll back in time where I can see more price data, more historical data, just from a pure price perspective to see, have we been at these levels before? I want to see us forming some type of reversal pattern at a significant level. If I scroll back here all the way back to at least 2016, that's enough data. You can see we had bottom touches here, almost a bottom touch here. We had a stopping point here before we gapped down. Touches here, which this support now became resistance. Once we broke through, we have touches here, and touches here. This past resistance now becoming support. And so here we are again, hesitating around this important area. Secondly, what I like to do is see if we are at an important Fibonacci number. So what I'll do is take out the Fibonacci tool, draw from this swing low right here up to this last major swing high up here at 147.50, and lo and behold, we're at the 786 level, or around, which was around $83. And obviously we have bounced higher from that level. So you can see here we came down to the 786, it held, it respected it, and now we're looking to trade higher. So the third ingredient of the special sauce, or third piece of the puzzle, is I like to look at it from a seasonal perspective. So I come up here and I type in RL and let RL populate, and I hit search now based on the criteria that I have set. I scroll down and see where we are in time. Right now we are at the end of August. So I can confirm that we do have bullish seasonal bias starting right around September 5th. So next week after Labor Day weekend, looking for roughly about a 2-week trade. 2-week trade that's been profitable 80% of the time over the last 10 years. And the average profit's been about 5%. You can see the two losing years here were about negative 0.75%. We had one larger loss here in 2016. But for the most part, it's been pretty steady Eddie, with the average drawdown being roughly only down about 2%. So now that we know that we have the favorable technicals, we also have favorable bullish bias to work with, that could be enough ammo for us to go ahead and start probing long Ralph Lauren. What I would be interested in doing is maybe looking at the October expiration, anywhere down here from the 75, perhaps up to the 85 strikes for a more intermediate term play. For instance, the 80-75 puts, $7.50 out of the money would bring you in about $1 of premium. Now, if you recall, this was about a 2-week calendar trade, so we could go into the weeklies with 16 days left till expiration. And for those more aggressive traders, we could look to sell some in the money or slightly at the money puts to see if we can scalp some quick profits on a short-term seasonal trade. So hope it helps, and we'll see you on the next update.